Alright, so I'm thinking about buying a reverse osmosis water filter. So I'm going to look at Amazon. This one here looks pretty nice. So water filtration, 5-stage reverse osmosis water purifier under sink, plus 4 replacement filters. That's good. Go with that. So $259. Okay, done. And just like that, it's here. Doesn't look like a lot in the box, but I bet there is. Nice packaging. Very nice packaging. It's a good company. Also, I called their support line and they were like super helpful right off the bat. So yeah, they actually have a support phone number where you can call them. It's on the site. They actually answer and help you. Okay, so while I'm unpacking this, I'll let my AI friend tell you a bit more about it. She's better at talking.
About this item. The easiest change for a healthier life. Experience what water should taste like when we remove up to 99.99% of lead, chlorine, fluoride, nitrates, calcium, arsenic, bacteria, and more. Exactly what you need. Drink the healthiest water on earth. All our filters are specially engineered to work together, producing the safest, best tasting water you'll ever drink. Feed water pressure, 40 to 80 psi. Don't waste money on professional installation. Our quick and easy to understand design means you can install and understand everything about your system. Quality guaranteed. Rest easy with our 1-year warranty on all express water systems. Water when you need it. No need to mess with refilling or activating the system. Automatically fills your water tank with high-quality drinking water. Help has arrived. Support from experts who can answer any of your questions about your home's water. Love your water. Environmentally friendly coconut. Carbon filters give unequaled quality and a clear natural taste. Peace of mind. We include an emergency leak stop detector that shuts off water flow when it detects unwelcome moisture.
These 2 filters you change once a year. The other 3 are every 6 months. So once a year you change all of them. That feels nice and heavy. Nice, good quality, wow. Okay, and all the wiring. I meant all the hoses. There's the instruction booklet. Beautiful. Yeah, very clear connections, instructions. There's a carbon filter. GAC filter. And that orange one is a sediment. And that's the 3 filters. Those are the ones you change every 6 months. Okay. And I guess the replacements. Those are the blue with blue, orange with orange. The stop leak valve. And that's all of it. Okay. I'm not sure where this goes, but once we start putting it together, we'll know. These are the little wrenches. Yep. Oh boy. This looks like it's going to be a fun time. So okay. Attach the blue one. Okay, first make sure these seals are in the proper unit. Make sure they're like right on the bottom in here where they're supposed to be, and on the top in between the lines, and right here. And make sure you have this little rubber thing in here, because when you open the package, sometimes it gets stuck in there, you might throw it out. So just make sure that the charcoal one, at least, and sand is clean. And that's in here. And then screw them in. This is the order they go in. Blue, green, yellow, orangey, whatever that is. Yellow, I'd go. So, actually it says right there. That one goes right there, so you don't even have to, I was thinking about marking them so I can remember, but it tells you it's the first one. So let's see if we can screw them in. Bam. Okay. Here's that wrench. Oh, that's good. Okay, that's one. Green. Again, make sure you got the rubber seal right there. GAC filter. And this seal is right there, and this one right here. Very important. So screw that in. That's in good. And the yellow one, this one doesn't have a seal. It's a sediment filter. Okay. So that's gonna be the end of this unboxing. You can tell when it's in right. I'm getting into the next video where I'm gonna be installing it. Thank you for watching, and okay. Probably have a link above for the installation. Alright, what's next?
Well, that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next video.